friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to explain you that how you can download previous year paper of Mizoram board. For this you have to simply type pyqonline.com. As you can see, this is our website. You can click on the board and select your board, for example. So as you can see, this is our website. Okay, or else what you can do is you can simply click on the search bar and type Mizoram. As you can see a pop-up button over here, you have to simply click on that. Okay, so this is our website. In order to download previous year paper, you have to simply select your class from question paper section, and these are question papers. You have to simply click on that. Okay, so this is our download link to download our question paper. We have to simply click on that. Okay. Now in order to download this paper, you have to simply click on the download button and save it. Okay, in order to check note, you have to simply click on the class. As you can see, these are all notes from both Hindi medium and English medium. Okay, now you can simply click on that and as per your need and go through the notes. If you want to attempt mock test, for this you have to simply select your class and click on the mock test. As you can see, no mock test has been uploaded over here. So for this you can simply comment mock test in our comment section and we will be providing you mock test. Alright, as you can see, model papers are also not uploaded. Again, you can comment model paper in our comment section and we will be providing you that as well. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload any new videos. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye bye.